And what's up everybody? You see that smile? Those are the beautiful smiles for the beautiful vibes of Dar es Salaam, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I'm actually super excited. Do you know why? Entering here was as smooth as nothing, was so swift, like tada. They did not ask for no certificates, they did not make anything hard. So why not love a country like this? Anyway, that is what, just a by the way, I just want to show you guys where I am staying as a custom, and you're gonna side with me if it is worth the money or not.
Karibu Nairobi, Kenya.
Kigali mu Rwanda.
Bujumbura, Zanzibar. Jambiani,
Mombasa.
And
Dar es Salaam.
so my room is at the 22nd floor, right in the heart of Dar es Salaam. I've been from Kigali, so that's why sometimes I'm like forgetting and I want to call out Kigali. So it is somewhere you see Exim Towers next to Viva Towers. It is called Uhuru Heights, and I want to take you in, to the 22nd floor. Welcome home. But this over here is my favorite part of the house. Guys, I have the most beautiful view ever, like the most beautiful view of Dar es Salaam. It is lunchtime and there is a school over there. You can see kids are playing. It also wants to rain. Look at that. Look at this building over here. That is a runway for the cars to go up in the parking. That over there is the main street. That far away, that side here, like here, that is the port, the Dar es Salaam port. And those over here, like here are the waters. And these ones over far away here, like here, you see, are ferries that bring in merchandise from the sea. It is super beautiful, and I must go around and show you in details. I don't care how long it's gonna take me to walk around, but I'm going to show you in details on foot. I'm going to walk around the entire Dar es Salaam. I don't know what am I putting myself into, but I'm going to walk around and see bit by bit, and I'll broadcast everything for you. So this is the veranda, this is the balcony, and from here you get to see this view. And also from here you get to imitate something like a drone shot. Yo, I have no drone, but I'm sorted with here. This view is gonna work for me like well. the view from the balcony, and that is the sitting area. This is the kitchen area. That is the door that takes you to the sitting room. If you are staying for so long, you can shop and pack your goodies in the fridge. The light is dim, it's down, it's not doing justice to show you what I really want to show you, but at least we have a coffee maker over here, a rice cooker, we have a microwave, we have a cooker, a bread toaster, a percolator, and all the utensils that you need. And like here you can keep the extras. So yeah, it is indeed a nice apartment according to me. I must say this time around I've been blessed to find good deals at cheaper prices. And you know, even down here you have all these compartments. The house has 3 rooms, so it means you share it with 3 other guests who in turn become friends. If you know how being a traveler is, like these are the people that become friends. Like for example, when I just checked in here, I was stranded on the doorway, and the brother, I asked like, brother, where is this apartment? He was like, wait, it is inside here. So that is it. Like you want to meet as many people as possible if you are on the way. But now let me take you to the bedroom. And welcome to my room. You know, just at the entrance is where you find this bathroom over here. I must say is clean, like clean. You know, we have this to hang the towels, like this. If you feel like taking that breathtaking shower, you know, comes with some soap. This over here in good shape, and here you can wash your hands and freshen up, like all in all. And I'm really loving this room, like the apartment itself. And now here is the bed. So like this is the view of the entire bed. If you are viewing from one of the corners, look at how huge is that closet. And that is the way that comes from the entrance. That door over there is the way to the toilets. When it comes to the space in the wardrobe, I have more than enough. And as if this alone is not enough, yet indeed, even if I had only this portion, I would be satisfied. But I have this over here, and I have that over there, all to myself. And this bed of, like, you see, white. So from that view, like imagine waking up to this beautiful view every day. Oh my. It's actually raining, but these kids over there, I don't know if you really can see, in this playground over here, hey, kids are playing in the rain. Yo, come in the comment section and tell me, like, what did you do during those childhood days? I remember, like, I'm seeing myself in them. Imagine they have not changed the uniform, but they don't care. They are just playing in the rain because it's fun, and then they will stay wait for all the, oh man, look at that. I don't know if I can spot it. Look, look. Oh, it is gonna land. Those are the beauties of staying next or in Heights. This is actually called Uhuru Heights, where I am right now. So please come in the comment section and let me know if you are in Dar es Salaam or somewhere in Tanzania and you know Uhuru Heights. And come just in the comment section and tell me what you would like to see about Tanzania or about Dar es Salaam in general. You know, anyway, that is it for the room tour. But actually I did not want to show the room tour to be specific. I just wanted to show off with the view. That's for WhatsApp. I'll be seeing you, my good people, in the next episode. I'm going to tour around Dar es Salaam. Lots of amazing content coming your way. My name is Osi the Bone Child. Please do me one favor, subscribe, turn on the bell button, like, share, or come down in the comment section and let me know what specifically would you like to learn about Dar es Salaam. Or if you are a fellow content creator out here in Dar es Salaam, please reach me out maybe in the comment section, in the about section. There is also my contact, or send me an email. Let's link up and you show me like something I've not seen. Until next time, bye bye. Love you so much, dear brothers and sisters.